दोस्तों आज की डिजिटल दुनिया में डेटा सबसे बड़ा एसेट बन चुका है। हर सेकंड लाखों ट्रांजैक्शन, मैसेजेस और कॉन्फिडेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन इंटरनेट पर ट्रांसफर होती रही है। लेकिन जैसे जैसे ये कनेक्टिविटी बढ़ रही है वैसे वैसे साइबर थ्रेट्स, डेटा ब्रीचेस और डिजिटल अटैक का खतरा भी बढ़ता जा रहा है। साइबर सिक्योरिटी अब सिर्फ आईटी प्रोफेशनल की जिम्मेदारी नहीं रह गई है, बल्कि यह बिजनेस, गवर्नमेंट और इंडिविजुअल यूजर्स सभी के लिए बेहद जरूरी होती जा रही है। चाहे कॉर्पोरेट डेटा की सुरक्षा हो या हमारी पर्सनल प्राइवेसी हो, हमें इसको गंभीरता से लेने की जरूरत है। दोस्तों इस सेशन में मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूं कि कैसे साइबर सिक्योरिटी में आप अपना करियर बना सकते हैं, और इस सफर में हम कवर करेंगे कि फाउंडेशन स्किल क्या होता है, कि आपको कौन कौन से टेक्निकल और सॉफ्ट स्किल सीखने चाहिए, कौन कौन से साइबर सिक्योरिटी सर्टिफिकेट आपकी ग्रोथ में मदद करेंगे, और अपने स्किल और शोकेस कैसे करें साइबर सिक्योरिटी फील्ड में, अपने आप को एक्सेल कैसे किया जा सकता है। तो चलिए हम बात करते हैं इस वीडियो में जो आपको काफी हेल्पफुल होगा। दोस्तों साइबर सिक्योरिटी इज वन ऑफ द फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग फील्ड्स एंड गेटिंग स्टार्टेड कैन सीम ओवरवेलमिंग, बट डोंट वरी, दिस प्रेजेंटेशन विल ब्रिंग इट डाउन इनटू अ सिंपल स्टेप बाय स्टेप गाइड, जहां पर मैं आपको बताऊंगा the key concept, essential skills and actionable steps to make yourself stand out to employers, whether you are a student, IT professional or someone switching career. This session will set you on the right path. Alright, so दोस्तों think of cyber security as securing a house. जब हम बात करते हैं अपने घर की, you need locks on your door. सो वो डोर का लॉक आपका फायरवॉल हो जाता है। एंड अलार्म सिस्टम की जब बात करते हैं आपका इंट्रूजन डिटेक्शन हो जाता है। एंड सम टाइम इवन सिक्योरिटी कैमरास की जब हम बात करते हैं तो वो SIM हो जाता है, जहां पर आपके लॉग्स गैदर होते हैं। कुछ टर्म्स आपको समझ में नहीं आ रही है, जैसे SIM हो गया, फायरवॉल हो गया, इंट्रूजन डिटेक्शन, नॉट टू वरी, मैंने अपने प्रीवियस वीडियो में डाला है, वो आप देख सकते हैं, या इस वीडियो में भी मैं आपको बहुत अच्छी तरीके से समझा सकता हूँ। ऑलराइट, so just like in home security, in cyber security you need the right skill and tools to protect digital assets. By the end of this session, इस सेशन के अंत में you will have a clear roadmap to start your career in this exciting field. All right. So दोस्तों हम यहाँ पर बात करते हैं साइबर सिक्योरिटी से आप क्या समझते हैं। पहले तो जैसे मैं आपको बताऊं कि साइबर सिक्योरिटी इज ऑल अबाउट प्रोटेक्टिंग सिस्टम, नेटवर्क्स एंड डेटा फ्रॉम साइबर थ्रेट्स लाइक हैकर्स, मालवेयर एंड डेटा ब्रीचेस। जैसे बोलूं कि इमेजिंग अ बैंक विथ स्ट्रॉन्ग सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स एंड वॉल्ट्स टू प्रोटेक्ट कैश, वैसे ही इन डिजिटल वर्ल्ड cyber security acts as those guards, firewalls, encryption and monitoring tools protect sensitive data. Right? Key area की अगर मैं बात करता हूं यहां पर, so network security where protecting network from attacks like hacking and malware, right? जैसे कि firewall and intrusion detection, intrusion prevention, they will help block unauthorized access. Application security where we are ensuring software and applications are secure from vulnerabilities. Developers जो रहते हैं they use secure coding practices to prevent SQL injection and cross-site scripting attacks. Data security की हम जब बात करते हैं तो protecting sensitive data through encryption and access control. जैसे कंपनीज दे यूज DLP, डेटा लॉस प्रिवेंशन सॉल्यूशन, टू प्रिवेंट सेंसिटिव डेटा फ्रॉम बीइंग लीक्ड। ऑलराइट, क्लाउड सिक्योरिटी की हम बात करते हैं, सिक्योरिंग डेटा एंड एप्लीकेशन होस्टेड ऑन क्लाउड प्लेटफॉर्म जैसे AWS, Azure, दे प्रोवाइड बिल्ट इन सिक्योरिटी टूल लाइक आइडेंटिटी मैनेजमेंट एंड इंक्रिप्शन। और जब हम इतना हो जाता है तो वाई साइबर सिक्योरिटी की जरूरत क्यों पड़ी है? द डिमांड ऑफ साइबर सिक्योरिटी प्रोफेशनल इज अराइजिंग वेरी फास्ट. बाय 2025 देयर विल बी 3.5 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs globally. Every day, companies like Microsoft, Google and banks hire cybersecurity experts to prevent cyber attacks. A single security breach can cost millions, so skilled professionals are highly valued, right? So दोस्तों, इसके बाद हम बात करेंगे बिल्डिंग योर फाउंडेशन, जहां पर नेटवर्किंग फाउंडेशन, मैं यहां आपको ये नहीं बोल रहा हूं कि यू नीड टू बी मास्टर इन नेटवर्किंग, बट व्हाट इट इज, understanding how data moves across network is crucial for cyber security. You should aware about the OSI model. You should know TCP IP DNS routing firewall. Imagine your Wi-Fi at home. If someone tries to hack into your router, firewall help block unauthorized access, right? सो इससे समझ में आता है आपको कि बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट कितना जरूरी है. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम की हम जब बात करता हूं, सो सिक्योरिंग प्रोफेशनल नीड टू वर्क विद डिफरेंट ओएस प्लेटफॉर्म, विंडोज, लाइनक्स सिक्योरिटी, कमांड लाइन ऑपरेशन सिस्टम, हार्डनिंग एक्सेट्रा, बिकॉज ethical hackers prefer Linux, Kali Linux, for penetrant testing, while corporate environment rely on Windows security settings like group policies, right? फिर हम बात करते हैं सिक्योरिटी प्रिंसिपल की, जहां पर आपको ये समझना जरूरी है कि कोर साइबर सिक्योरिटी प्रिंसिपल फोकस ऑन प्रोटेक्टिंग डेटा एंड सिस्टम्स. द की कॉन्सेप्ट इज CIA TRIAGE. We talk about CIA TRIAGE again and again in my last video also, where we talk about confidentiality, integrity and availability. जहां पर confidentiality, encrypting customer data to prevent unauthorized access. Integrity talks about digital signature to ensure email or any file haven't been tampered with. And availability, where the DDoS protection ensure websites remain online during cyber attacks. So you can understand building your foundation is very much important. Now we will talk about developing key skill, practice, application. So what are the things very important? Online challenging. When we're talking about platform like TryHackMe and Hack the Box, ये क्या है? They offer interactive labs for learning cyber security skills. These are free of cost. Go and get it. Take an advantage. Example, beginner can start with TryHackMe pre-security path, which covers networking, Linux basic and web securities. Scripting language, where you will be learning Python, which is very crucial for automating security tasks. Examples, Python to write a script that scan open ports using the socket libraries. Correct? I can tell you, here we go, where you can create and import socket. This looks like. Then security tools, right? Security tools like Wireshark, Nmap, networking scanning, which is known as, which help in security assessment, using Nmap to detect open ports on system, right? So there is certain commands, bash, copy, edit, Nmap -sv, T4 examples, where this command scan for open ports and running services. Then we talk about CTF, capture the flag competitions, right? CTF are cyber security challenges where participants solve hacking tasks. See, it's so wonderful where you will learn CTF. जैसे Pico CTF, they offer challenges in cryptography, reverse engineering and web security. A common CTF task where you need to find the hidden flags in the web pages, secure code using Control and U. So these skills provides hands-on experience, making your job ready in cyber security, right? So this is very, very important. Now we talk about certificates for beginners, how you'll know. So there are few certificates. I'm not saying if you're not satisfied you won't get job. You will get job, you will 100% get job. But what are the advantages you gonna get it? When we'll talk about CompTIA Security Plus, this is very good certification. If you do the complete training, right, it covers fundamental security concept like network security, cryptography, risk assessment, threat management. It's always best for beginners looking for entry level security roles like security analysis, SOC analyst, or IT specialist, etc. If a company is experiencing phishing attack, a security plus certified professional can recognize attack pattern and implement email filtering and security awareness training. नेक्स्ट मैं बात करता हूँ CEH Certified Ethical Hacker. This basically focuses on penetration testing and ethical hacking techniques. They cover topics like footprinting, scanning, networks, enumeration, vulnerabilities analysis, and system hackings. This is best for those who are interested in offensive security roles like penetration testing, red team analysis, or security consultant. So a CEH certified individual might, conduct a web application penetrate test to find SQL injection or cross-site scripting vulnerabilities before attacker exploit them. थर्ड मैं बात करूंगा ISC Square SSCP, which is Security System Security Certified Practitioner. This is designed for professional with some IT experience, minimum 1 year is required. It covers access control, security operations, network security and incident response. This is really best for IT professional who's looking to transition into cyber security roles like SOC analyst, security administrator, or IT security engineers. Like, SSCP certified professional might configure firewall rules to block unauthorized access or monitor SIM alert for suspicious activities, right? So you can start with CompTIA security as a beginner. CEH is ideal for professional penetrating testing, and SSCP is a great step toward CISSP or a more advanced security, right? Next बात करूँगा creating your brand, resume and online presence. All right. So these slides provide excellent guidelines on building your personal brand to stand out in jobs, searches and professional networking. Let's understand deeper breakdown with practice steps and with examples. When we're talking about tailor your resume, so customize your resume for each job by highlighting relevant skills, certification and projects. Like if you're applying for a cyber security role, emphasize skill like penetrating testing, SIM tools or DLP instead of generic IT experience. Take my advice. Alright, you have some best tool which I can talk about. Jetty is very good tool. Resumek.io is a good tool. You can try this and build your auto-generated resume through the AI help. Next is showcase GitHub project, right? So this is very important. Employees love hands-on experience. Showcasing GitHub project provides your practical skills. Like if you are into ethical hacking, upload script for automated vulnerability scanning or a custom built keylogger. This is just for educations only, right? Write clear readme file, explaining your project. Include screenshot or short videos of your project in your action. Contribute to open source security tools. This is very, very important. Then, building a LinkedIn profile is very important. A strong LinkedIn profile helps you connect with industry's professional and recruiters. Share your certifications achievement. Write about cybersecurity trend or post insight or real world securities incidents. So headline like cybersecurity enthusiastic, DLP and risk management, ethical hacking. Anything you can mention, you can add an experience. Last is start a blogs. It's always good to start a blog. Blogging helps establishing thought leadership in cybersecurity. Write about how to prevent phishing attack, best AI tool for cybersecurity or penetration testing step by steps. So best blogging platform you have Medium, Hashnode, dev to WordPress, many things you can try it here, right? So you can start working on it. Then after, if we talk about beyond technical skill, the human elements, this is very important, which we generally don't talk about, right? Your communication, right? So you need to explain the importance of DLP policy, say for example, to financial team who are not technical expert. You need to give the solution instead of using technical jargons like endpoint based exploitation controls. Explain in simple term. Use analogy, right? Use analogy. When we're talking about, think of DLP as a bank vault. Only authorized employees can access sensitive data, and if someone tries to take confidential information out, we get an alert, right? Provide real world data breaches cases to emphasize why security matters, and there should be outcome. The finance team understands and follow the security policies and reducing accident data breaches. So you need to communicate in that way. Communication should be more effective. Then problem solving. You receive an alert that an employee is uploading sensitive file to a personal Google Drive, right? So analyze the situation, check if the false positive, investigate intent, right? Look at the past behavior logs. Immediate action, if intentional, escalate to the HR and block further uploads. If accidental, educate the user and recommend using an approved cloud service like OneDrive with encryption, etc. Right? And then what would be the outcome? The HR is satisfied because employees can still work efficiently. IT ensures security without facing pushback from the user. That is very important. Then third is eagerness to learn, which is very important in IT. Your behavior is very much important. You notice that new AI based phishing attacks are bypassing email security filters. Attend webinar on AI driven cyber attack. Test Microsoft Defender and EDR tools to detect such threat. Conduct an internal phishing awareness training for employees, right? So you stay ahead of attackers, enhance email security and educate employees, reducing phishing risk, right? And you need to work as a team, which is very important. But before that, these examples show how soft skill enhance cybersecurity leadership quality. By communicating effectively, collaborating with team and consistently learning, you become a strategic leader and just not a security expert, right? So this is very important दोस्तों. उसके बाद cyber security journey begin now. So building a foundation where we need to understand learning, networking, operating system and security fundamental. Developing a skill where you need to gain the hands-on experience through exercise and capture the flag CTF challenges. Getting certified, validating knowledge with certifications like Competica Security Plus, CEH, CISSP. Showcasing yourself, creating a portfolio and improving online preference, LinkedIn, GitHub, blogs, etc. And then staying committed, continuously learning and networking with your professional, right? These align well with your build your career in cybersecurity, right? Will definitely help you to give you a great hike and great opportunity to be a part of cybersecurity. Welcome to cybersecurity. If you follow these steps, you will definitely get a job. You will get a good opportunity in cybersecurity. And if you follow such a strategy, you can get the job in any IT field. If you like this video, please subscribe my channels, put some comments, resume. Please do ping me, email to me. Thank you so much दोस्तों for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.